The hand-supported sissy squat is an excellent way to target and grow your quadriceps muscles, particularly the rectus femoris, using just your body weight. Even though the knees travel over the toes, when executed with proper form and moderation, sissy squats can be safe and beneficial for strengthening the knees and improving knee stability. Here's how to do it correctly. Stand upright with your feet shoulder width apart, toes pointing forward, and one hand gripping a sturdy object to the side of you for support, such as a squat rack. Keep your neck neutral while engaging your core muscles to stabilize your torso throughout the movement. Shift your weight onto the balls of your feet and lift your heels off the ground so you're balancing on your toes. Slowly lower your body down by bending your knees while simultaneously leaning your torso back slightly. Keep your back straight and chest up as you descend, ensuring that your knees track in line with your toes. Lower yourself as far down as you can comfortably go, feeling the stretch in your quads and maintaining balance. Push through the balls of your feet and extend your knees to return to the starting position while trying to minimize the usage of your hand to assist in the movement. Straighten your knees completely at the top of the movement, but avoid locking them out. Repeat for reps. Subscribe to get a new exercise video every day.